Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blake, and in today's video we are going to be doing a natural hairstyle on 4B or 4C natural hair. So I'm going to first comb through my hair using a wide tooth comb. Using this pigtail comb, I'm going to separate my hair into two sections, one at the back and one at the front, and I want the front section to be as precise as possible. That's why I'm taking my time to create these lines. I'm going to use this silk scratchy, just to put this front section in a puff. To comb my hair using this wide tooth comb. After, I'm going to use this headband just to tie my hair in a puff. I'm going to let down the front section from this puff. I'm going to comb through my hair using this wide tooth comb and use the pigtail comb just to separate my hair into two sections. What I'm going to do is I'm going to one of the sections in a small puff. I'm going to create a diagonal section where I'm going to separate it in a diagonal way. I'm going to spray some water onto my hair and use the Cute leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use a small bit of that and I'm going to apply that directly on my hair. Then I'm going to detangle my hair. So today I'm going to use the Eco Styler gel and I'm going to apply that directly on the roots of my hair, especially at the front. After that, I'm going to detangle it a bit. So the other thing I'm going to do today is, for all the front sections I'm going to be separating, I'm going to plait cornrows. And if you don't know how to create cornrows, I already have a video that I posted, so kindly check it out. So that's what I'm going to do today. And one thing I have to say, guys, I really appreciate the time and effort you guys put in my last video, where it got more than 1k views, and I really appreciate. So kindly don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. Share your ideas of what else you want to see on this channel. And when it comes to creating cornrows on your hair, you just have to take your time to avoid stressing your head so much that you have your cornrows to be so tight. I'm going to take the section I have on the other side, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to spray some water on it, and I'm going to go ahead and use again the Cute leave-in conditioner just to moisturize my hair. So I wanted the front section to be as moisturized as possible, just to make sure this hair is a bit sleek, especially for this style. I'm going to create some cornrows on my hair, so kindly follow the steps. To finish up this cornrow, I'll be doing a braid in a downward motion. Before I started creating this video, I had a different idea, but for some reason I changed my mind, and this is what came into mind. Guys, we are in 2024. Happy New Year. So last year was quite a year with a lot of slow season for me, especially when it came to the content. It was quite slow and a bit stagnant. So this year I wish you all the best, everyone else, and this year I'm going to create more content for YouTube, especially because I feel like it's worth it. Compared maybe to other apps, but every platform has a different kind of audience and what suits best what people watch. So guys, kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. How was your year? How is so far going on for you? Guys, remember I have long hair, so it does take time to try to finish just one braid, but otherwise I'm going to continue plaiting the cornrows, and to finish them downwards I'm doing a braid. For this hairstyle I wanted to focus on cornrows. Doing the cornrow in a downward motion, and by finishing up the cornrow I'm going to be doing a braid. So this is the final look of how all the cornrows are looking at the front. Let down the back section of my hair from the puff, and I'm going to comb it through using the wide tooth comb. I'm going to continue combing my hair in an upward motion. I'm going to spray a bit of water onto my hair. By using this Candle leave-in conditioner, I'm going to apply it directly on my hair, and I massage it through using my hands. I'm going to use some Eco Gel to give me that slickness. Brush it up. I'm going to be using this detangling comb just to brush it up. I'm going to sway up my hair to create a puff. So I'm going to get all the front section cornrows, and I'm going to put each of them in the puff to join together. So after, I'm going to be using this hair band just to tie my hair in a high puff. And I'm going to use this big scratchy. It kind of helps me to hold up the hair before I put it donut bun. Yes, I'm going to comb my hair that I've put up in a puff. I'm going to comb it through just to make sure it's detangled. So the next thing to do is I'm going to try to put all the hair together to create a donut kind of shape. And to secure it, I'm going to use another band to tie it down in a shape of a donut. I'm going to use this gray scratchy just to spice up this whole style. I'm going to go back in and use the Eco Styler gel just to create some baby hairs at the front or my edges. To spice up this look, I'm just going to use some of these pins, these silver pins, to put them on each cornrow. So I'm going to spray some water. I don't know this, I've done this for a while and it works for me. I spray some water on my hair just to make sure the hair is moisturized. To use this silk scarf just to tie down the hair until I'm done this makeup. So guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In our next video, Bye bye. Adios, mi amor.